Chapter 3 Electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is the study of production of electricity from energy released during spontaneous chemical reactions and the use of electrical energy to bring about non-spontaneous chemical transformations. So here the energy conversion is from chemical energy to electrical energy. Electrochemical cell. It is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. It is also known as galvanic cell. Now, chemical energy is the energy due to a chemical reaction. So, which is the chemical reaction that takes place in an electrochemical cell? What type of chemical reaction? It is a redox reaction, or we can say that it is oxidation reduction reaction. It is redox reaction which takes place in an electrochemical cell, and this chemical energy will be converted to electrical energy. What is the difference between electrolytic cell and electrochemical cell? Electrolytic cell is a device which converts electrical energy into chemical energy, whereas electrochemical cell is a device which converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Sign of the electrodes in electrolytic cell and galvanic or electrochemical cell. Both these cells have two electrodes, cathode and anode. Consider the electrolytic cell given on the left hand side. Two electrodes are there, anode and cathode. Which electrode is taken as anode? The electrode which is connected to the positive terminal. Now what is the sign given to anode? The sign is positive, because anode is connected to the positive terminal. So anode has positive sign. Now consider cathode. It is connected to the negative terminal. So cathode has negative sign. Next, consider electrochemical cell, which is given on the right hand side. Two electrodes are there, anode and cathode. You know that the chemical reaction taking place in an electrochemical cell is redox reaction. That is, oxidation reaction occurs at one electrode and reduction reaction occurs at the other electrode. Oxidation reaction takes place at anode and reduction reaction actually takes place at cathode. You know that oxidation is a reaction which involves loss of electrons. So at the anode, due to oxidation reaction taking place, electrons will be released, and you know that electrons are negatively charged particles. Therefore, anode in an electrochemical cell is given a negative sign. Now consider cathode. The reaction taking place at the cathode is reduction, and reduction is a reaction which involves gain of electrons. Since electrons are gained, cathode is given a positive sign. Daniell cell is shown here. You can see copper rod dipped in copper sulfate solution and zinc rod dipped in zinc sulfate solution. Here, zinc rod acts as anode and oxidation takes place at the anode. Copper rod acts as cathode and reduction takes place at the cathode. So in Daniell cell, a zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution and a copper rod is dipped in copper sulfate solution. Zinc rod acts as anode and copper rod acts as cathode. The two half cells are connected externally by a metallic wire to a galvanometer through a key and internally by a salt bridge. Now what is salt bridge? It is an inverted U-tube containing an inert salt, solution of an inert salt like potassium chloride or potassium nitrate, to which some agar-agar or gelatin has been added to convert it into a semi-solid form. The ends of the U-tube are plugged with glass wool. What are the functions of salt bridge? It permits the passage of electric current internally. It maintains the electrical neutrality of the solution, and it also prevents intermixing of the solutions. Salt bridge does not take part in cell reaction. In Daniell cell, copper rod is dipped in copper sulfate solution and zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution. Here, the concentration of both copper sulfate as well as zinc sulfate solution is taken as 1 molar. zinc rod acts as anode and oxidation takes place at anode. Electrons are thus released, and the electrons thus released move towards the cathode. So the flow of electrons will be from the anode to cathode, whereas the flow of current will be in the reverse direction. How can we write the reactions taking place at the anode, cathode and the net cell reaction equation? Oxidation takes place at the anode. Therefore, we can write the equation as Zn giving Zn2 plus 2 electrons. Reduction takes place at the cathode, so we can write the equation as Cu2 plus 2 electrons gives copper. When we add the two reaction equations, we get the net cell reaction equation, which is Zn plus Cu2 plus gives Zn2 plus Cu.